Zombies! Exponential growth. So, zombies are a perfect topic to explain exponential growth. Can't find a more perfect topic besides radioactivity. But zombies are a lot more fun than radioactivity. So, let's talk about some zombies. Alright, first of all, we need the formula for zombies, which is our exponential growth model. Alright, this is our exponential growth model. Alright, the formula for our exponential growth model is y equals a times e raised to kt. Now y, as you can see here, is our answer, which is going to be our number of zombies. A is the starting amount of zombies. Alright, A is our starting amount of zombies. E, that's the E that we've been learning about. That's the button on your calculator. That's 2.718, blah, 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 blah. K is our growth constant. Okay? Now, if the growth constant is positive, so K is greater than 0, alright, it means it's positive. That means that this is growth. So something is growing. If K is less than 0, so it's negative, alright, then you can use the same model, but now it's decay, like radioactive decay or something like that. Alright, and then T is your time, and it can be in any units you want. Alright, so let's go on. It says, the T virus has been released at the hive and has already turned 4 scientists into zombies. If the growth constant for this zombie outbreak is 0.35, how many umbrella employees will be infected after 15 hours? That we know. Alright, we know Y is our answer. Well, we don't have our answer yet, so we don't know what that is yet. Alright, now our starting amount. Well, let's go back and figure out our starting amount. So we have 4 scientists who are already zombies. So our starting amount is 4. Alright, then they say the growth constant for this outbreak is 0.35, so that's K. And then our time, it says how many umbrella employees will be infected after 15 hours. So our time is going to be 15. Alright, now we can just simply plug all this into the equation. We're going to have Y, which we don't know, equals A, which is our starting amount, 4E raised to K times T. So 0.35 times 15. Alright, so let's combine our exponents. 4E, and then the 0.35 times 15 is 5.25. Alright, now let's do E raised to 5.25, which gives us 4 times 190.566. And then, of course, that multiplied by 4 is 762.27 zombies. Alright, now you might ask, how do you have 0.27 of a zombie? Well, obviously that one's been shot at a lot, and there's not much left of it. But there's enough there that he's still kind of hobbling around. Alright? So there's 462.27 zombies after the 15 hours after the T virus was released at the hive. Alright? So that's really all there is to the exponential growth model. Alright, and we can use it to calculate zombies. I know most of y'all love zombies. Alright, you probably saw that movie, Warm Bodies. Pretty good movie. Anyway, Alright, so now I want to make this a you try. It says Coral is fired from the Umbrella Corporation and in an act of rage grabs a vial of the T-virus and smashes it against the laboratory wall, which causes 8 employees to instantly turn into zombies. If the growth constant is 1.28, how many of Umbrella's employees will be zombies after 24 hours? Alright, so what I want you to do, pause the video and figure out how many employees Umbrella's going to lose to the zombie outbreak. Alright, so we know y equals a times e raised to kt. Let's fill this out. Y, well, we know that's our answer. And we don't know what that is yet. A is our starting amount. And our starting amount is 8 employees because they were instantly turned into zombies when she smashed the vial. And then we need to get K. K is our growth constant. And that is 1.28. And then our T is time, which in our case is 24 hours. Alright, so now we can just plug it in. Here's our formula. So y equals 8 times e raised to 1.28 times 24. So y equals 8 times e raised to 30.72. So y equals 8 times 2. No, this is a really big number. 2.19 times 10 to the 13th. So that is a really big number. And then when you multiply that by 8, that comes out to 1. That's a 1. I accidentally crossed it. Almost looks like a T. 1.76 times 10 to the 14th zombies. I don't even think Umbrella has that many employees, so who knows where they all came from. Now, if you actually want to know what that number is, that is 176, comma, 000, comma, 000, comma, 000, comma, 000. 3, 6, 9, 12, and 13, 14. Alright, that is a lot of zombies. 176 trillion. Wow. I don't even think, there's not even that many people in the world, I don't think. There probably is. Who knows? Alright, so that is your zombie lesson, or your exponential growth model. Alright, I'm not going to make you take it in the door, because with this, it's just plugging numbers into a formula. So once you understand it, there's really no need to keep throwing problems at you. So just rewatch this. If you don't quite understand it yet, just rewatch my zombie video, and you should be good. Alright, see you in class tomorrow.